Let's get to the point. Super cute ang new pink siopaw ni 7-Eleven, named K-Pao. Ang sarap talaga buksan ng siopaw cabinet sa 7-Eleven kasi may free facial steaming na ako. And I tried 2 other items which I will review later. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. Bumili lang ako ng load para makapag Mobile Legends and yan talagang hirap sa 7-Eleven. Before you know it, sinaniban ka na at marami ka ng ibang nabili. I tried 3 items total. Number 1, sea salt latte, 49 pesos. Number 2, K-Pao, 50 pesos. Number 3, gulaman, 35 pesos. The sea salt latte, I did not like it. Gets ko naman na may sea salt ito, pero hindi pala okay pag directly hinalo sa drink. A bit salty for me by 30%. Better talaga ang sea salt pag foam lang on top of coffee. The K-Pao was super cute and may cute grill mark pa. Collab ito with Romantic Baboy. May cheesy pork and beef siya inside the siopaw. Unang kagat, to be honest, matabang siya with around 10% spiciness. I suggest they increase the meat flavor pa by 30% and the spice by another 10%. Towards the middle kagat, kalasa niya yung parang spaghetti sauce ng Pancake House, pero in a quieter way. The gulaman naman was delicious, may slight asim siya in a masarap way. Parang yung kadate ko na galing sa gym. May mga gulaman siya na slightly matigas pero pwede na rin. I would describe this as a parang sosyal na gulaman pero 35 pesos. Among the 3, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. And habang kumakain ako, ang song sa store background is With You. Na-realize ko kahit single ako, as long as may unique food experiences like this, happy na rin ako. Click follow for the next story.